really gets them involved to see what is really involved with research.
It's been a really wonderful, energetic project that we've been working on.
We don't have enough time to do everything we want to do with all the step count protocol at this time. This group, we're actually going to be working beyond SOfIA. I've already talked to them and they're really excited about this. That's why with the experience, you hook them in and they really enjoy if you make it fun.
I'm really grateful for SOfIA because I get to know my students, before the semester even begins.
Being here 3 weeks earlier and, being able to connect with people right then and there, because we all, been related, like, oh yeah, you're a part of this project, cool, I'm a part of this project, and we just kind of build off of that.
Definitely my group. They've been very, very accommodating and very helpful, super friendly, probably going to be my best friends on campus.
A lot of them really enjoy that behind the scenes look of what really goes into a paper when you say, oh, this is what they did and what do the results mean. We actually give them that hands-on experience to really know what's going on.
If there's anything that I've learned most about, it's definitely that this community is, even though it's small, it's very unique.
There's actually a lot of chemistry in baking, like whenever you're cooking bread and the bread rises, that's a chemical reaction. The browning, the edge of your pizza crust, that's a chemical reaction. Melting cheese, that's a chemical reaction. There's all sorts of chemistry in baking.
We ended up using their individual interests. Some of them were interested in making campus a more inclusive feeling place, so you'll see some of our murals have to do with inclusion, and we also wanted to make areas on campus just more colorful and energized.
Monmouth offered me this opportunity and I decided to take that opportunity and make it my own.
Definitely do it. It's a once-in-a-lifetime experience. You get to meet new people. It's fun.
If you're looking to seize opportunities, this is one of those opportunities.
Definitely do it. It's a great opportunity. You learn campus, you make friends, you get to meet your professors more one-on-one. It's just an overall great experience.